Hello all. This is question number 8 from GATE 2020 CSE Set 1 paper. It is an aptitude problem. Let's look at the problem. The figure below shows an annular ring with outer and inner radius as B and A respectively. The annular space has been painted in the form of blue colored circles touching the outer and inner periphery of annular space. If maximum n number of circles can be painted, then the unpainted area available in annular space is. We need to find out the right option from this given 4 options. So it's a very basic problem on the properties of a circle. We know if we consider a circle of radius r, then the area of the circle is pi r square. So just using this formula we can solve this problem very easily. Let's look at the problem now. So this is the inner circle with radius a. So we can write the area of the inner circle as pi a square. Similarly, the outer circle is with radius b. So the area of the outer circle is pi b square. Now see, if we want to find out the area of this annular space, that is the space between the outer circle and the inner circle, that is this yellow color zone, it is pi b square minus pi a square. What is the thickness of this annular ring? The thickness of the annular ring is b minus a. So if we now want to fit a circle in this annular space, what should be the area of that circle? Then area of this small painted circle must be pi into b minus a by 2 whole square, because this one is b minus a. So if we are considering the radius only, then it will give us b minus a by 2, right? So for n such circles, what will be the area? The area, total area for n such circles will be n into pi into b minus a by 2 whole square. Now the total area of this annular space is pi b square minus pi a square. So if we need to find out this unpainted area, what we will do? We will just subtract this area from the total area, and what we will get? We will get pi b square minus pi a square minus the painted area, that is n pi b minus a by 2 whole square. Let's look back the problem now. In the previous slide, we have got this unpainted area as pi b square minus pi a square minus n pi b minus a by 2 whole square. So if we take pi as common, then we will get b square minus a square minus n by 4 b minus a whole square. So this option is satisfied by A. So our correct option is this one. So I hope this is clear to you. Thank you.